Hi there, Vashik here. So in today's video, I want to show you quickly how I make money online with buyformeretail.com. I hate when videos on YouTube are too long, so let's just jump right into it. So you go to your website, so it's a buyformeretail.com, and I'll go to deals, which is this section, and then I'll select in stock and Amazon because this is the credit card that I'm using. So with your Amazon credit card, you usually get 5% back, but if you delay shipping, you usually get 6. I'll show you how that works. So I've pretty much done all of these deals. I just saw this one. I haven't done it. It's not one of the best deals, but it still works. It's not one of the best deals because they pay you 4.51% less than what you purchase it for. A lot of the deals that I do are like 2.5% less, 3% less, so your margin is a little bit bigger. But because it's a high priced item, you still make enough money on it. Over here you can see that only these two colors are the ones that they want you to buy, so they don't want you to buy these ones anymore because the price, they actually want you to buy it, but the price doesn't match. So let's go with the midnight one. The price per unit is $1,242. So you open it on Amazon. You want to make sure the price matches. 99% of the time it does, but sometimes it doesn't. So the price is the same. So let's go back and let's select, we want to buy 3 of these units. So you reserve it. You make sure that the website still wants you to buy it. Now you go back and we go to quantity, we buy 3. That's the most you can purchase. So this is what I was talking about, the percentages. So I want to send it to their main warehouse, and I will select delayed shipping. It's delayed by 2 days, which is still pretty good. And you get 6% back. So let's do the math on a deal. So you get 6% back. Where's my calculator? Here we go. So we get 6% back minus 4.51, which comes down to 149. So that's how much percent we're gonna make on that transaction. Now the purchase price is $3,726 times 0.0149. So that's what we're making. So we're gonna make $55 on this transaction. Everything looks good. So we go place order. It verifies the payment and order has been placed. Then you go over here, your orders, and we can see that the order was placed over here. So now you have your order number, you copy that, and then you go back to your deals, and you go this left section, that's your tracker that tracks all your transactions. So that's the one we just reserved. You have 17 or 18 hours to put your order number in. Here we go. And update. And that's it. Once Amazon ships it, they will give you my tracking number, which I gotta input over here. So when you go to pending, that's all the products that you submitted the tracking for, but you haven't got paid yet from buyformeretail.com. If you want to know more about this website, look at my other video. I kind of went a little bit more in detail on how everything works. So that's it. And we made $55 in less than 4 minutes. So I hope you guys like this video. You can subscribe, like the video, it really helps. And I will give you a link beneath this video. So if you wanna start doing this on your own, you can. Okay, until next time.